Hello kids. Always I come here to teach something new topic, but today I am here to narrate a story. I hope you all will enjoy this story. The name of the story is The Musical Donkey. So before starting the story, I will introduce you the characters of this story. This is a donkey. Okay, this donkey loves to sing. This is jackal. The jackal is very clever animal. This is a picture of a farm. Farm is a place where a farmer keeps their domestic animals or birds. And these are farmers who take care the farm. So now let's enjoy the story. The Musical Donkey. There was once a donkey who liked music. During the day he carried loads. At night, he broke the fence of the farms nearby and ate grass from there. One night, he met a jackal on a farm. The two became best friends. The two became best friends. The donkey was strong and could kick the farm down. The jackal was happy to go with him. While the donkey ate the grasses, the jackal ate the ducks and hens. They went on for many nights. One night, the moon was shining brightly in the sky. Oh, it is such a beautiful night. I feel like singing, said the donkey. Please don't sing. The farmers will hear us, said the jackal. You do not like music like me, said the donkey. Then lifting his head up to look at the moon, he began singing. And do you know how he sings? The jackal starts singing like Dhechoo, 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 Dhechoo. The jackal ran away. The farmer was sleeping in the farm. There's donkey outside, cried the farmers. They chased the donkey out of the farm. The foolish donkey learned that there is a time and place for everything. So, I hope that you all enjoyed this story and you will also learn a lesson from this story. So, can you tell me what the lesson have you learned? Today we learned that there is a time and a place for everything, and this is the moral of this story. So children, you do your right things at the right time. Okay. So after this story, it's time to learn some new words. I am describing some words with one example. Listen very carefully. These are some hard words. So one by one we will understand the meaning of these words. The first one is donkey. Just now we have seen this donkey in the story. It is a domestic animal. Donkey. Whenever we listen a song, the music is in it. Next is loads. When you go to school, you carry bag. That is also called loads. Night. When we see stars and moon in the sky, we say it is night. Fence. Fence. It is a side wall or boundary of your house or a farm. Next is farm. Farm. Farm is a place where the farmer grows fruits or vegetables or keep their domestic animals or birds. Friend. Friend is a person with whom we share our feelings. You play with your friend or share your tiffin. Strong. If you eat healthy food every day, you become very strong. Kick. When you get a big size of ball or football, you just throw it by kicking with your leg. It is called kick. Now happy. When your mother loves you, you feel happy. Now grass. You can see a green grass outside in the garden. When you polish your shoes shines. It's called shining. Bright. In the noon, when you see outside in the sky, the sun bright. The sun is bright on that time. Farmer. These are the farmer. Just now we have seen these farmers in the story. They grows vegetables and fruits for us. Beautiful. When we see a flower, we say it is beautiful. Singing. In your school, every day in the morning, you sing a prayer. That is singing. So I hope you enjoy today's story narrated by me. Through this story, we have learned a lesson and some hard words. I request you to use these hard words in your daily life. Thank you and have a wonderful day to you all.